My name is Susie. I'm at chemistry, social studies, geography, algebra, and I got a secret for you. But no, another thing for you. I hate them. It's rowdy. When you get all sweaty, you have to run, and run. I hate running because it's so stupid. All you're hurting, I get osteoporosis. So, that's a secret. Why? I'm so beautiful and so smart. You would know because I am Superwoman! Hi. Hello. It's Elizabeth. Hi.
But I think you already knew that.
Yes, I'm Taylor. I'm Liz. And over there is our dog. Come here, Petey. Peanut! You talk.
Oh, Peanut, come here. Okay, now we're videotaping.
Hi.
Hi.
This is my dog.
Awesome.
Her name's Peanut.
Hi, Peanut.
Isn't she so cute? Petey.
She's like,
Call her.
Peanut.
Petey. That was Peanut, my dog.
Go be free, Peanut. She comes to me.
Hi, guys.
Come on, Peanut, let's run.
It's been a month.
A month. A month.
A month since we made our last video.
Are you talking about this one?
Yes.
Yeah. Last time Elizabeth was over, she kicked this ball in her trees.
And it stayed in there.
Yeah, it stayed there.
Here, video.
Ah!
This time I'm kicking it at the house. Well, how did it fail? Okay. Yeah. My idea. There we go.
Yeah, that's what she did. Okay, let's go back.
Wow.
Yeah, this is my house. Ugly house, isn't it? My backyard.
Oh no.
Let's put this back up.
I'll catch it.
There we go.
Get that.
I think it's upside down. Is it upside down? Okay. So, how are you guys? How are you doing?
Okay.
Elizabeth, what are you doing?
Playing with the ball. Great.
She got stuck in the trees again.
Kayla.
I know. She got stuck in the trees again.
I got it stuck in the tree
Oh,
again.
there's more balls. There's more river balls.
Come with me. I got it stuck in the tree again.
How high is it?
Really high.
There it is.
See that? There.
Wait,
Little
where?
spot up there.
Don't
Over there.
worry.
There we go. See my finger?
Don't worry.
Yeah. You guys did get the other one out, didn't you?
I don't know.
We should go look. I think that's the same spot.
You guys want to go see our backyard?
Hold on. I'm going to go get my shoes.
She's going to get her shoes.
Don't shoot my butt.
Alright, let's go. Put Peanut inside. The dog.
Here, I'll just carry your peanut. Come on. Fucking good hold of it.
You guys want to see Yeti snacks? Going in the trees.
Ow.
In the trees. Ow.
Careful. That thing.
Pointy. Come on. Let's go see Yeti snacks. Trees. Ah! It says Yeti.
Oh my God, sorry.
Yeti snacks. And you're stepping on the snacks. That's a dirty hanger. It's covered in poo.
Mana, go take Peanut inside.
Okay, let's go back.
Don't drop her. Don't drop her, okay?
Go take Peanut inside.
Okay.
Go.
Don't hit her butt.
Go.
This one's just going to be about nature. Do you guys love nature?
Nature, that makes me to be naturally.
I love nature. Do you guys love nature?
I love nature.
I love nature.
I'm gonna go stand on that box thing.
You wanna go see my backyard? This is my backyard. Oh, it's on Zoom. I zoomed out on your butt, Elizabeth. Look at all these like stuff. I don't know what they are.
Yeah, that's so nature.
Yeah, so naturally. Let's zoom in over there.
Kayla,
What?
look over here. Unzoom and look over here.
Okay.
Yeah, it's so naturally over here.
Beautiful road.
Yeah, standing here in a random electrical box over here.
Smile.
With bags.
Yeah, that's the box she's standing on.
It says OB43.
Random bag. Ooh, your foot look huge. Okay, let's zoom out.
My foot is... don't zoom out.
Dude, wave
Itching my armpit.
it. Wave it.
Okay, let's go out front.
I'm gonna put that back down.
Flag.
There's a guy on a bicycle.
Let's go out front.
I'm going to race you guys.
Okay. Go. Bye. Trees. Okay. We're up front. It's my pine tree.
Yeah, the pole is very high.
She's just sitting there.
Okay.
Guys.
Ah, my butt hurts.
Hey, guys.
This is my house.
Thinking.
Neighbors.
Hold on. Bring me over to the
Well,
tree.
Okay, you do entertainment. I'll do something.
Help me up there.
so this video is about nature. I hope you guys get the time to go outside. Enjoy the beautiful fresh air.
bees.
See the beautiful fresh air.
Rainbows.
See how beautiful nature can be. You know, you don't want to trash our beautiful nature.
Manna, come here.
You don't want to hurt
Here.
this beautiful planet we have.
Oh, yeah. And this is Manna.
Yeah, that's my little sister. I want you guys to go do something like for the environment. Go pick up a piece of paper on the side of the road,
And be nice to your sister. Because you don't know how long you're going to have her.
or your family.
Yeah.
So,
Hi. What you doing today?
so this is basically about family and nature. You have to be nice to both. and
Hold
you have
on,
to love
Manna.
both.
Okay, there.
Our Earth really needs our help, so it's our Earth.
It's our job to clean up our Earth. Because
Yes.
she needs help. Okay, I have one question. Why did they think the Earth's a she and not a he?
I don't know.
Leave a comment in the
Yeah.
comment box answering that question.
And leave a comment telling us your good thing that you did.
Yeah.
And we'll respond back, we promise. We always do.
Yeah. Leave a visit.
Video response.
Yeah. Show
Telling
us
us what you
Show
did.
us your adventure. Videotape it. Go
Like
out
our
and videotape
adventure. Our beautiful adventure.
And we encourage you guys to go make videos.
Yeah. Be yourself. Be proud of who you are.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm
I
wearing a
would-
Cookie Monster shirt.
I'm wearing my Haverhill shirt.
Cookie Monster's awesome, isn't he? Well, sister. So,
Here, Manna, down.
alright guys, we'll talk to you later.
She's like joking me.
We'll talk to you later. Hope you guys get inspired. Bye. Love you guys.
Bye.